Here is another 3D printed puzzle. Today's puzzle is Meson I. Meson I? Meson like a house? I'm not sure. This kind of looks like a house, so perhaps. And there's another puzzle with the same premise coming up after this called Meson II. The designer is Andrey Ustjuzhanin. He has hundreds of puzzles on his website, and I've taken the liberty to recreate these in a 3D printable format. They are designed in Puzzle CAD with these joints that can be squeezed or snapped together, or I've used some glue. I prefer to make them a bit looser and then use a bit of glue. So for this puzzle, the frame, is this the maison perhaps? The house, and one of the pieces has to be joined together with the snap joint. The goal is to get every single piece here inside this frame and form a cube. So let's get started. I can already guess that these two pieces with the two large flat planes are probably gonna be in these holes. Not certain, but that would be aesthetically pleasing. But hold on, can you even get them there? Wait. In fact, you cannot even get this one in. It seems like it should go, but to fit into one of these windows, just before that, it would have to collide with the frame, wouldn't it? See, it would have to be in a position like this, just deeper in there. But in that case, this tailpiece would collide with the frame. This one we can get in, because it can fit from the outside. This one we cannot. A little bit of squeezing we may perhaps good. So I guess that theory is out of the window. Literally, out of these two windows. I mean, one of them could fit, but I guess that's not the solution then. At least we can't count on that being a hint. Other pieces that could be hard to position in here. See, I'm usually thinking about the outer surface first, and these two windows that we have in our maison have exactly 4 pieces of area. To fill 4 pieces of area, there's 3 different ways to fill them. One way is to fill them with a square like this, isn't it? I think it is. One way would be to fill them with two-piece strips like this. This, and if you could imagine perhaps, well, I can't make it fit, but if you could imagine this and perhaps this guy next to it. And the third way would be to have 3 in one corner and then a single piece, if I could find one, perhaps like this, filling this window of this fenêtre of this maison. And yet we also have these large sides here. So I know that this guy will have to, because it cannot fit one of these side windows. Can I get it to fit? So there's not many spaces for it to be then. It can fit here. It could be one step this way. Or it could be like this, where this tadpole's tail also comes to the outside. In that case, something would have to fill here. This piece seems like it... I've just gotten an email from Andrew, the designer. Let's see what he says. Actually, just got an email from the designer, Andrey. He also has some videos of these puzzles. I'll have to look at those later. Let's see if we come up with the same solution, shall we? So, in case this piece here fills the outside in this way, it seems to me that this L sort of shape could now fill the rest of this outside surface, and now we would have our one of these large holes now filled. Interesting. Can we still fit this tadpole? Okay, so in this case, this tadpole only has the chance of... Alright, in case it comes from this side, this is the only orientation, and in case it comes from this side, it also only has one orientation to be in. In either case, it would poke up its tail through here in that way. And now we don't have so much of the outside surface open anymore. See, I don't think that's the way. See, now, no, in case we fill this window with the flat piece, there's not much left out of these pieces to fill this one. See, this long piece won't even fit through the whole thing because it's already blocked. And there's not a flat side to this to fill the whole 4-piece hole here. So I'm thinking this second flat piece is also not in one of these windows, which would place it here or here. Only those two would work. It's not inconceivable for it to be that way. This 3-piece here could fill the rest of that hole, so I think if I can make it go through and manipulating that a little bit, we filled everything but this, and it looks like this will also fit, so I think I'm very close to the solution now. But I already feel like this has to go in earlier. When you're solving these puzzles, it's often a sign of a very good puzzle, at least in my opinion, if you come to the conclusion as to where to place the pieces first quite easily, and then most of the challenge is then figuring out the correct steps to get you there. And quite typically, again, feels like I have to take the whole thing apart before I can get this to fit. See, this would have to be here. This would go here so that this piece is on the left side of this hole. And I'm blocked by all of these other pieces, which as I take them out, I'm sure I'll forget how all of them went in. Okay, so here, that would be here. This flat piece here, I think this came out of here just now. And this guy has to go through the whole Meson. And I think that allows for the last piece to go in. Yes. And my email spam folder congratulates me on my completion of this first puzzle by Andrey Ustjuzhanin. I'm sorry. Thank you for the great design. I'll be putting up the files for everyone to print this if they wish to. It's easier to print than it looks like, even with the complicated frame that is a shape that 3D printers are not very good with tons of overhangs. I've made these snap connectors that you can use to snap them together. In fact, I'll show you how one of them looks like. This is the idea. You got Lego male pieces and female pieces, and you snap them together. I've even tried to include these letter symbols here on the inside as well. Hard to see. So you can match them up. And if it's too loose, this one is too loose because it still comes apart. You can put a few drops of super glue in. Or you can actually go in and change the settings in the CAD file yourself. It's all open source software. Just put 100th of a millimeter or two less tolerance here, so that these form an what is it called, an interference fit, where you have to use a clamp or a hammer to get them together. That way you don't even need glue. See you in the next video, and thank you very much.